Received this brand new GPS from Banggood today and the mail, and today is the night 4 to 2019, and I connected to iNav, and the GPS is not working. It's not communicating. That little red light is on, which that means is bad. Let's connect it, and GPS is in red. And when we go into GPS updates, it doesn't receive or transmit anything. The connections are perfect. So it's not doing anything. Absolutely nothing. Not receiving, not transmitting. So GPS is connected. It's in port 6. GPS port 6 in iNav. Thank you. Please replace it.